Easy chill. I wonder if this is any good. Well, I was having trouble with my van with the AC. The expansion valve was bad, so I replaced it. I changed the O-rings and everything, and in a few days it wasn't cold anymore. So I thought the expansion valve was bad, so I took it out, and I'm going to show you a picture of that where it's at in just a second. And put a new one in with new O-rings, new seals. And a week later, the thing is leaking again. So I got a can of this Easy Chill AC recharge, and it has stop leak in it. I'm pretty sure that's where my leak is, but those seals for some reason are not sealing it up. So we're going to follow the directions on the can. We're going to put it in the van and see if that cures my problem. So let me show you what's going on here under the hood. Now right back there is the expansion valve. See if I can get a little bit of a close-up. Yeah, right there. So that's the expansion valve, and I've had that off and on many times trying to put seals in it to keep it from leaking, and it's still leaking right there. So now I got to get down here on this valve down here and hook the hose up from the Easy Chill and see if I can get it to charge up and stop leaking. So the first thing it says to do is to take this hose and go down and connect it onto that valve down there, the low side of the AC unit. Let me see if I can get you a better picture here. So now I got that connected down there like it says. And then this end connects to the can right here. Well, let's see what this says. So it is showing around 45 pounds of pressure, but I need to start it up. So I'm going to put it over here out of the way and see if I can start the van up and see what it does when I start the van up. So now after starting the van, you can see it goes down to 0. So it doesn't have any refrigerant left in it. So we're going to go ahead and attach this can. I can't hold the camera and that at the same time. I'm going to attach that can to that and see what happens. Moving this lid. Okay, now I got it hooked up. Push on this button. Over there, right, that's the whole thing. And I'm going to try to release this. Alright, now we're going to take this off. Now I'm checking the AC. It's nice and cold. Now I just hope that it seals my leak. So now you can throw the can away, but you want to keep the hose and the gauge, because you can always just hook this up to the low side on your AC and then check the gauge and see how you're doing on refrigerant. And this does say stop leak. So please stop my leak. Can you please stop my leak? We'll see. Thanks for watching.